Hi everybody, I'm Tom Lloyd from CCTV out here in the Cleveland area off of US 17, and joining me right now is Chief Matthew McElroy, and he's going to talk to us about a sales tax project from 2020 that is now coming to fruition.
Station 6. So we're moving into a new Station 6 is what we're looking to do with this. Redo of the station. So the last time that station, the old station, was built in 1984. Almost, we're close to 45 years ago. So yes.
Yeah, so talk about the need for this replacement other than the station being that old.
So we're looking at a more hardened structure, something that we hope lasts farther into the years, 50 plus years. The station that we are currently in has some challenges. It's an older structure, a metal structure, whereas this will be a concrete hardened facility and will allow our members to respond more readily, more safer during storm time, and it gives us that resiliency that we're looking for throughout the county.
And Chief, this really probably would never have happened unless it was for the sales tax, correct?
Great point. In 2020 is when the citizens decided that this was important to them, and it's increasingly important to the community as we look at structures and space and things like that, and being able to build here is a great impact for the community. And with it being part of that 1% sales tax, that's again coming up in the near future. We're looking to hopefully continue this process throughout our county.
All right, well, Chief, congratulations. And if you'd like to know more about any of the sales tax projects from 2020, you can always go to charlottecountyfl.gov. For CCTV, news you could use, I'm Tom Lloyd.